everyone, please watch this video because I will introduce one of the job position. This is the located in Gifu and in factory job. So salary will be 290,000 yen and it can be up till 350,000 yen. Of course, it has given bonus and daily conversation Japanese level is okay and no experience required. So if you want to give an interview for this job position, please visit our company on Monday at 11 a.m. So we have the more than 40 Japan companies. So that means you can choose the one company which one you are interested and give an interview. So if you want to take more information about job or visa, so please visit our company or please visit this phone number. Thank you so much and good luck.